Morning, yes. I hope you're fine. Today we are going to start a new subject that is called mathematics. I think that it is one of the toughest subjects we are facing in the day to day lives. Okay, so my only objective is to reduce the burden on you and teach you something which is going to be fruitful. No need to subscribe to my channel. I'll not waste time in those things. I don't believe in those. You may do subscribe or not. It's your choice. So sometimes in the childhood we have heard from people that he between two maths, if you remember, he between two maths, then ICS is for mathematics. But actually mathematics is also sometimes told as is the peacock of all the subjects, because it's the, you can say, crest jewel of all the subjects. Because if you want to go into engineering, you'll have to study physics. So physics does not involve, physics involves a lot of things. We'll take that class separately. However, physics involves mathematical calculations like algebra, arithmetics, also sometimes geometry. So if you don't know what is arithmetic, how will you do physics? If you don't know physics, how will you go for engineering? I think the lights, everything is okay. Thank you. So that's what I was telling. If you want to go in the field of aviation, that is, you have to learn mathematics because of the coordinates. That is, longitude, latitude, everything. Tell me any subject of science. This entire video, this Nautanki, is only for science students. Arts, commerce are not welcome here because you will not be able to relate. I think commerce also involves mathematics, but it's a different story altogether. So that's what I mean. Any stream of science, be it biotechnology, be it electrical engineering, which is my subject. I like electrical engineering for that matter, and electronics, aviation. What is left? Chemical, civil engineering. Suppose you don't know how to calculate distance, how will you prepare roads when you become a civil engineer? Suppose if you don't know how to use a pointer, how will you work in TCS or in Infosys or in Accenture for that matter when you become a computer science graduate or postgraduate or postgraduate, depending on your brain? So arithmetics, actually the point of making this video today also was like my small relative. I have my nephew who has come to my home and is not able to understand mathematical multiplication tables. So I have made him write on a piece of chart paper. I will share with you all in the comment section below, and you can also take advantage of that. So that is the first step in the mathematics, because we don't learn mathematics directly in +2. Topics mathematics, physics. There is a book called Topics Mathematics. There's set, subsets, circles, triangles. The world of mathematics is very interesting, but it needs a lot of dedication, trepidation, and humiliation to understand what is mathematics. I have seen a lot of female friends of mine. They are afraid of mathematics. There's no need to be afraid. Mathematics has never told that I will not go into the brain of a girl, I will go into the brain of a boy. Never. Why girls fail to study mathematics properly? Because they don't have the time. They are interested in other things. Let me not go into that. You need to invest time in mathematics actually. You have to, compromise on your sleep. You have to compromise on the fan. I am telling you, to all of you, yes, my dear students or subscribers in YouTube language, is that you can try one experiment. You study algebra using your AC. All of us have AC today, air conditioning. Yes, full form, abbreviations. You study a subject called algebra in mathematics using your AC in room temperature 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. फ़ारेनहाइट में कितना हुआ थोड़ा बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में, ठीक है. सो यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओनली 25% बिकॉज डिस्ट्रैक्शंस तो बहुत हैं. यू स्टडी अलजेब्रा इन व्हाट क्लास 6. यू हैव डिस्ट्रैक्शंस लाइक आज तो मैच है रात में, मेरा ये सीरियल देखना है, दोस्त के साथ खट्टी करने जाना है, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंसेस आर लॉट. हाउएवर यू हैव टू सिट with the copy with a piece of stick and understand mathematics. Otherwise it is a time waste, money waste, everything waste. And the same experiment you do it without your AC. Use your fan or your hand fan, पंखा है ना, बिंचोना, table fan with less speed. I can give you a guarantee in a bond paper in the court, Bhubaneswar court, that you will be grasping 75%. Why is that happening? Because mathematics doesn't like comfort. I'm sorry. It is not home science, or it is not like something fancy. Communication skills. Communication skills we have to learn in AC. Try to understand the difference. Suppose I go into aviation field, I have to learn communications in an AC room because the painting is required. You need to be groomed properly, female, male, everyone. You have to wear a tie. Suppose I will tell you, wear a tie in this blazer which is behind me and sit without AC. You will, within 1 hour, game will be over. But in mathematics, why I am telling it? Because you need only 2 pairs of clothes, which is the dress code. You don't need any, formal anything. So this is the difference. I have met great mathematicians who are very poor. Because the poorer you are, the more learned you become in mathematics. I'm sorry, this is the law of mathematics. The more rich you are, the less you get into the mathematics thing. Now you will say that I am making some vague statements. In this video, I have no time for all these kind of speculations. This is just my generalized comments. Kindly bear with me. Thank you. So this entire introduction thing is over. And in YouTube, I will try to give quality. Okay, not waste your time as well as my time. Because I can see very clearly that if a child is unable to understand the multiplication table, 10% mistake is of the child. 90% mistake is of the faculty which is sitting behind the laptop, and her or his capability is also limited. She cannot come out of the laptop and slap the child, because mathematics requires slapping. Mathematics requires beating. I have a rod, I will show you in the next class, which is for good students. And you know who is a good student of mathematics? The backbenchers. I like them. They don't understand anything, but they do very well in their lives. So, all these things depends on person to person. We cannot, generalize, specialize or all those things. So, what else is left in today's class? I think I have around how much? 30 seconds. You can ask your doubts in the comment section. We will try to make it an interactive class as far as possible. I'll share you my so-called WhatsApp, and you can ask your questions directly. Mathematics, anything, a plus b whole square, like that. So see you in the next video. Enjoy your life, but don't enjoy mathematics. You have to go through the pain. I'll give you sums, I'll give you time to solve those. Wait for me. Thank you. Bye. Good night.